Hey everyone, it's Danny with Watches.com, and I'm going to show you the Archer Automatic by Archetype. This is a watch that has dual time display and a really cool cutaway dial where you can see the mechanics underneath. So let's get into it and show you what it looks like. Every Archetype comes in this cool packaging. So it's got that gold foil up here, and then three-dimensional logo. And there's the Archer. The Archer comes in a beautiful rose gold case, and it's at 42 millimeters. What's cool about the Archer is it features the exposed mechanics that you can see through the dial, and then also has two time zones, the AM/PM indicator at the 12-hour, and then the open balance wheel at the 6-hour. Let's turn it over and see the back. You can see those mainsprings back there, 2 barrels, and then the beautiful rotor. Also, what's cool is the strap. It's like a dark brown croc stamp. It's really nice. All right, now let's put it on the wrist. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, you can check out this watch and 1,000 other cool timepieces on Watches.com. Thanks, and see you next time.